Alright, so once you extrude that, what we can do is select this, shift select this, and go to select this, shift select this, bridge. I'm looking for a bridge edge loops. Okay, so next one, this one, shift this one, bridge, this one, shift this one, bridge, this one, shift this one, bridge. Now this one cannot be bridged, so what we can do is select this edge, right click, subdivide, go to vertex mode, and then move that one up, and then we will select this and right click, merge at center. Okay, so that part is done. Now if you look at this one here, edge, this is one edge, but we have a vertex here, so we'll select this, shift select this, right click, subdivide, go to our vertices, select this one. We have to move it there, but what I'll do is go to edge 1, select this edge, shift select this edge, right click, bridge edge loop, and then this edge we will simply move this side. Okay, and then we will go to vertex, and select this, select tool, these vertices, right click, we got to see through, make sure everything is selected, right click, merge vertices at center, go this side, select these, right click, merge vertices at center. Okay, so everything is blocked in. Okay, that way we get a nice clean, and then we can have an 8-wheeler. So I can simply duplicate, shift T, and move it here, shift T, move it here. Okay, so we'll have a 8-wheeler car. Shift this, shift T, right click, move inside. Alright, so let us now look at our, this one. Okay, so we can add the mirrors if you want a small detail. If not, we are actually done here. Okay, so but you can keep adding things that you think will further enhance your model. So what we can do is add cylinder. Alright, so okay, before we move that cylinder needs to be much smaller. Alright, then we'll move it here. It will be rotated 90 degrees. Okay, it is still looking big, so we need to make it small. This will be here. Okay, and then we can go to edit mode, select this face, extrude it out, extrude it out, extrude it out, extrude it out, view, viewpoint, front. Okay, so you can then select those vertices, move it, rotate it, select these, select these, move, select this, inset, and extrude inside. Object mode, okay, and then we have to go to edit mode. You can select all these, okay, and then move out. Okay, so the origin becomes here, and then what we can do is go to mirror modifier. Okay, then you can move this in the middle, and then you can move it out. Okay. So again, object mode, we can again have this object, materials, we can use the same red material, and then we will have to add another white material. So we will go to again edit mode, select this one, white, assign, and that adds the mirror to it. Okay, so we have the car with mirrors and 4 wheels. That's about it. In the next class we can look at how to render the scene.